Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, confirm the existing power cord is unplugged. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Unthread the 5 screws securing the control board access cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. Set the cover aside. Depress the tab to disconnect the power cord wire connector. Detach the grounding wire from the retaining hook, then unthread the screw to release the grounding wire to fully remove the old cord. To install the new power cord, first thread the screw to secure the grounding wire to the rear panel. Loop the wire onto the retaining hook and connect the power cord wire connector. Replace the access cover and thread the screws to secure. The lower left screw secures the power cord to the cover. The smaller fine threaded screw secures the cover to the grounding block. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the new power cord in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.